In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email address on Teachable. If you've switched inboxes, want a more secure address, or just need your account notifications to go somewhere new. Updating your email on Teachable is quick. Start by signing in to your Teachable account using your usual credentials on a trusted browser. Make sure you're logging into the correct school or the main Teachable account you use to manage courses and purchases. Once you're in, look for Settings. Depending on the current layout, you'll typically find it by clicking your profile icon in the top corner and choosing Settings from the menu or in the sidebar of your dashboard. Inside Settings, locate the section that lists your account details. Find the email field, click into it, and carefully type the new email address you want associated with your account. Double-check for typos before you proceed. One misplaced character can prevent you from receiving password resets, purchase receipts, and important account alerts. When you're confident the address is correct, save your changes. You should see a confirmation that your settings were updated. A quick tip: use an inbox you check often and consider one you control long-term rather than a temporary or shared address. If you rely on two-factor authentication for your account, keep your phone or authenticator handy while you're editing settings, just in case Teachable asks you to verify your identity. Some accounts may also receive a verification message at the new address. If that happens, open the email and follow the instructions to finalize the update, and remember to check your spam or promotions folders if you don't see it right away. If the settings page looks different from what you expect, or you run into an error when saving, the Teachable Help Center is your best resource. It hosts up-to-date articles and visual guides that match the latest interface, plus troubleshooting tips for things like unrecognized emails, bounced confirmations, or browser issues. You can search for Change Email Address there and compare the screenshots with what you see on your screen. That's all it takes. Log in, go to Settings, update the email field, and save. Keeping your contact information current ensures you never miss course updates, receipts, or security alerts. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to replay any part while you make the change, and when you're done, you'll be ready to continue learning and creating with your new email on file.